Is this setting spray really waterproof?
Seeing what I'm seeing, Carslin just doesn't miss. These are the new 2.0 press powders from Carslin. And as someone with oily skin, this powder is an absolute must for my makeup to last. This powder is not only oil controlling, but also transfer proof. But the real gag is it's waterproof as well.
So I ordered it. I got it. Let's try it. So first of all, I want to say this was kind of hard to find. It wasn't hard to find, but when I Googled it to see like if I could pick it up at a Sephora or Ulta, like it was not available for pickup. So I did have to order it off Amazon, but it did come next day because I have Prime. So I've seen about 5 videos saying that this is the setting powder for the summer because it is waterproof, which in turn would mean that it's sweat proof. So I actually have already done my base just so we don't waste too much time and we get straight to the point. But this is what it looks like. It is called the Black Magnet Soft Mist Powder. So we're gonna put this to the same test that I see the girls on TikTok doing. And first and foremost, we're gonna pour some water on it. Y'all said it. I got this in the, I think this is translucent. They had a pink powder, but it wasn't gonna come for like a week. And I was like, I don't have time for that. I need to try this now, okay? And it was only 16 bucks. So if this actually works, then this is a steal for the summer because it's not super expensive. So I'd be happy. Okay, this is what it looks like here. And then we open it. Oh shoot, I just scratched it with my nail. It didn't come like that. It is white, which I'm a little bit worried about casting, but let's go ahead and see what the water is, okay? I'd be mad if it messes this up for 16 bucks. Okay, here we go. Shoot. Wait a minute. Oh my God, it's dry. It is literally dry. Hold on. They are not paying me for this. Baby, it's dry. Okay, hold on. Calm down. Let's put it on the face and see what it do, okay? So I didn't put any I did put foundation. I didn't put any concealer on because I just wanted you guys to see that I was putting concealer on and just setting it with this. So I'm just gonna go on really quickly with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer because the focus is really on the powder. Okay, so we have our concealer on, and the places that I sweat most is my upper lip area, and then I crease a lot with the laugh lines, but obviously we know for a fact we have to set the under eye. But I'm also gonna set over here as well. It's a little bit of not blended, just to see what happens. Like I'm sweating right now. It's literally like almost 80 degrees in my house. It's hot. And I'm gonna wear this for the whole day, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys at the end of the night. So right now, I'm getting started a little late. It's 1:49, but I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the day and come back to you guys tonight to show you what it looks like. All right, so I'm gonna go in with a different brush, and I'm just gonna, it does not, what I will say is you do have to go in a little bit hard to get something on the brush, but let's see how it applies. I don't see nothing going on. I don't know. What do y'all think? Y'all see something? I mean, I guess it's a little more matte. Maybe I'm just going crazy. I need to get some better light. Okay, let's just work with what we got. Let me do one side and see if we can see the difference. Like, it's literally, I'm not... issue. I guess this side does look more matte than this side. Yeah, because it's a little shinier on the side. Okay. So, yeah. Okay. Whatever. It definitely is translucent though. Like I was really scared that it was going to be white on my skin, but it's honestly, you can't even see it. Now, gotta make sure I get that upper lip, baby. That stash. Because she be sweating. She be sweating like a Sunday in church. All right. Underneath. I'm putting so much. I feel like I'm putting a lot, but I can't even see it, so I hope that it's not too much. All right. Oh, let me put a little bit on forehead. All right, I just put it in all the places that I had concealer. So I'm gonna go in with my full face brush and wipe off everything excess and put on a little bit of blush, and then we're gonna go into the natural light and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what we look like in natural light, no glitter. I definitely think that it set the face well. But we just have to test out the sweatability, and it's super hot outside, so I will be back with you guys to show you what I look like at the end of the day. Okay, so we are at the 4 o'clock check-in. Everything looks good besides this eyelash just coming out. But mind your business, because that don't have nothing to do with you or to leave out, okay? We focus on powder. Skin is honestly looking pretty darn good. I got to say. But yeah, I think, oh my God, this eyelash. Yeah. It's been about 3 hours. We still looking pretty fresh. Okay, let's be back. I'm gonna come back to you. It is 6:30 and we are still looking good, and your girl been sweating. I've been sweating, but don't look at the leave out, mind your business. I think it kept the makeup intact. We did pretty good. We did some grocery shopping, and I would say I would give this about a 9 out of 10. Definitely, this is from my glasses, but I would recommend for 16 bucks. And the girl said it was not transferable. I don't know if I didn't put enough, but there is some transfer. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's not super bad for it, like holding my makeup down. And I realized, let's get in the car. I also realized I forgot to put setting spray. I didn't put no setting spray on. Makeup still intact. No cracking, no crackless. I would definitely say go ahead and buy. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys leave a thumbs up. And if you have any other products that you want me to try, let me know in the comments. Right, I will see you guys later. Bye.